So here's the reason why you're not making money and losing money by not quitting porn. The thing about porn is it really sucks you in, sucks your soul in, and it grabs away your productivity, fucks up your mood, and fucks up your hormone levels, and it literally just kills you from inside. And I've noticed that the more I fall into these habits, the more other bad habits I fall into. For example, if you play video games, then you play video games all the time, mostly. If you grind like 4, 6 hours, 8 hours, and after playing video games, you normally tend to go to sleep. But before going to sleep, you watch porn and you masturbate, and then you go to sleep, and then you wake up tired again, and then you waste your whole day, play video games, and then watch the porn, and this cycle loop, it just keeps repeating itself. So one bad habit adds another bad habit, and it just works like compound effect. We have watched compound effect in the positive manner, but this is in the negative manner. So the graph keeps going down and it takes you down with it. And the moment you stop indulging into these habits, you literally just have to replace those habits with something else better than that. Example, I stopped playing video games and I don't play video games now, and I even don't watch porn, and I spend my time building business and learning about new stuff, learning cool things. So right now, at this moment, it might not be looking to you that you're losing money on the table, but when you look these actions in the long run, every hour you waste while watching porn and while playing video games is every hour you could have invested on your business or on your job or on your career or any way you want to. Like, are you getting the point what I'm trying to say? Which is just, if you roam with 4 drunk idiots and then you would be the fifth one, and if they get drunk, you would get drunk, and if they add another thing which is smoking, that's the combo, like drinking and smoking, it works very well. That's the same thing with porn. You indulge in porn, you indulge in video games, and yeah, you might as well lose your confidence, you fuck your relations, everything almost. Yep, and that would ruin your life, and you're losing money on the table. That's it, and I recommend quitting it. And if you want to know how to quit it, I've created a video around it. You can click the link in the description. And if you want more help on it, you can book a call with me, and link in the description. So thanks, bye.